So as you guys can probably see, I finally officially took the Nissan out of storage. I just took it out on Friday. Drove it quite a bit over the weekend. It's a little dirty right now. You got the motorcycle right here. But yeah, the Nissan's finally out of storage. Felt like it was forever that it was in there. So the reason I'm making this video is I want to show you a cheap but cool mod for your 370Z. So basically it is the Nismo trim ring for the start stop button. So it's this little part right here, this little piece. Now I already have the start stop button that you can buy off the zstore.com. They have a bunch of cool parts for the 370Z and other cars. But so I got the GTR start stop button already. I got that last year. Now this year I just bought the trim ring, the Nismo trim ring, which I think it looks good. It complements the start stop button pretty well. Also I got the red stitching on the steering wheel, so it looks good with that. It's really not too expensive. It was only $59.87. That's before tax and shipping, obviously, but not too much. I mean, you're talking probably under $70 for this. Really easy to install, not very hard. Now, some of you guys might not consider this a mod, which I know technically it really isn't. But I thought it was just a cool little thing to show you guys. Cheap, easy, I think it's pretty cool. So I just did that. Otherwise, everything's still pretty much the same in here for right now. But if you guys have watched my previous videos, you'll know I'm getting new seats in here. So anyway, I just wanted to make this video to show you guys a cheap but cool mod for your 370Z. And thanks for watching.